Hey everybody, and welcome to another quick video from the text view. In this video we will be learning how to check how much memory, what type of processor, how much hard drive space we have, and probably just some other tools like how to run a defrag and probably a cleaner. This video is going to be pretty quick, so we're going to go ahead and get started with how to check how much memory we have. To check how much memory we have, we'll go to Start. I'm currently running Windows XP, but you would do the same in Windows Vista. You just go to Start, right click My Computer, and once you get this drop down menu, you'll go to Properties. Okay, when you click Properties, you should get another System Properties window, and what you want to pay attention to, everything on this tab is very useful. Here it's telling you what operating system you have. On this computer I'm running Windows XP Media Center, Service Pack 2, and over here we have, it's a Dell Dimension. And then right here where it says Pentium, that's the type of processor we have. We have a Pentium 4, and the speed of it is 2.8 gigahertz. So that's very useful. Just 2.8 is pretty good. Anything nowadays, anything above 2.0 is pretty good, pretty much on the standard. And something else that's very useful is how much RAM you have, how much memory you have. This one currently has 2 gigabytes of memory, which is pretty good. The standard nowadays is 2 gigabytes or up, so you may want to watch out for that. A lot of computers that I work on and that I see that come into the computer shop have less than 1 gig, and usually the customers says that it's pretty slow, but they have no idea how much memory they have. So that's the first thing I look at when somebody says that their computer is super slow, and usually this one has 256 megabytes of memory, which is pretty low. So you want to watch out for that. Upgrade that if you can. That'll improve your speed. Okay, now let's go ahead and check about our hard drive. So I'm going to exit out of that, and to check how much hard drive space you're using and the total amount of hard drive space that you have, you want to go to Start, and instead of right clicking My Computer, just do a regular click on My Computer. If My Computer isn't on here, it'll probably be on your desktop somewhere. So just find My Computer and click on it. Once you get that window open, you will, if you just hover over your C drive, you see that this one has a total size of about 70 gigs, and free space that I have on it is 33.2 gigabytes. So that's pretty good, not too bad. I have room for storage. Okay, so another way to check it just a little bit more detailed is just right click on your C drive and go to Properties. And here on Properties, you see the used space. The amount that you've used is about 36 gigabytes, and the free space, which we already saw, was 33.2. And the total size, the capacity of it, is 69.8 gigabytes, around 70. And also in this window, you can run some tools. You can just go to your Tools tab, and you can go to error checking. This is basically just checks your hard drive for any bad sectors. What a bad sector is in simple terms, just bad spots on the hard drive that go out or that get messed up. And sometimes on those bad spots, you have system files or information that your computer needs to run. So you run this utility, and it'll go and look for any bad spots, and it'll try to recover any of those files that are on those bad spots or bad sectors. And to run this, you just click Check Now, and I usually check both of these: automatically fix file system errors and scan to attempt recovery of bad sectors, like which I explained right now. I usually check these, and once I click start, it'll tell me that I'm currently using uh, this hard drive. So it'll do it when Windows reboots. And if I wanted to do it, I would click yes, and whenever I reboot Windows, it would go ahead and check my hard drive. You can do a defrag by just clicking defrag now. And usually most of the time what I do is click analyze, and I have basically come to find out that the Windows defrag utility isn't that accurate when it analyzes it, because I use other tools that I'll be doing tutorials on in the near future, and they find a lot of fragmented files. So this one is saying I should defrag this volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that after this video is over. I would just click defrag to go ahead and defrag it, and it would usually takes around an hour or more depending on your hard drive size. So I would do that, and those two tools are pretty good. For my defrags, like I said, I use another tool. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on that, so stay alert for that one. Okay, and as far as that's pretty much it. Now, whenever somebody asks you how much memory you have on your computer, and you don't know off the top of your head, you can just quickly go start, right click my computer, and click on properties, and then give them some information on what type of processor you have, the speed of it, and how much RAM you have, and then you can also let them know your hard drive size. So that's just a quick lesson on how to, basically it's useful for yourself to get to know how much hard drive space you have left, or how much memory you have, and it comes really useful in case you need to upgrade or anything. So that's pretty much it for this one. Like I said, I have some more videos coming up, and if this video was helpful to you, please rate and subscribe. If you could please just rate 5 stars, I would appreciate it, and just keep your questions coming like always. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for this one, and I will see you on the next one.